Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to climb up and slide. Before I did this, I was scared, and this cameraman is my dad, and he helped me and my sister helped me to get up there so I can slide down. Now I have learned all by myself, and I teach my little brother. Now I'm gonna show you how I get up. Now I'm gonna go up there and slide down. I'm gonna show you how it feels when I'm down, okay? Now I'm up here and I'm gonna climb up there. This one is the scariest because it's high, and if you fall down, you're not quite ready, and you need to train this at home or somewhere where you can find this smaller. And then you can come here back and see. If you don't make it again, then you need more training. And now look here, now I'm gonna slide down. I've shown you how to go down. Now please subscribe and like to my channel. It's called Duniya Ke Sang, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.